Hello, you people. We're just gonna show you this is the southern road down to the beach in Løkken. This is middle May. I think it's the 15th or 16th right now, and we're just gonna show you how this show the sand movement, and we're gonna see how wild the sea is right now. I bet there's a bit of waves and stuff. Oh yeah. So this is middle May, and it's the weather is a little fall-ish. We're supposed to have springtime weather right now, but looks like it's just not there yet. Look how sometimes when it's really storming, all this foam just runs all the way up to the town in Løkken. These are the small beach houses that Løkken is so well known for. You can't really buy them, you just have to be in a family that has a connection to somebody that knows somebody to get one. And there's a big list to get these. People like to sit down and drink some white wine and eat crab claws and stuff like that in them. And yeah, they have this nice view. So that you see the pier a little further to the north. The pier is almost hidden in the waves today. When it's really storming, you actually will not see the pier because of so much water flowing in over it. So that's it. That's the beach in Løkken when it's a little bit windy. Thanks for watching.